Hello guys, kamusta kayong lahat? Okay, so today we're going to discuss about Bank of Commerce Mastercard credit card. Okay, so after 2 weeks of using this credit card, so masasabi ko na okay siya at na-try ko na rin yung kanilang Bank of Commerce app. Okay din siya, napaka daling gamitin, hindi nakakalito, hindi hassle, wala mong binabayaran masyado. Pwede ko siyang ikumpara talaga sa BPI Gold since pareho naman silang Mastercard. Okay, it has a capability to earn points, it offers some discount and free access or free privileges sa mga San Miguel Corporation related establishment. Ganon din naman yung BPI free, may mga privileges sa mga Ayala establishment. Okay? So, ayoko lang dito is nakakatampo. Hindi, joke lang. Mababa yung binigay nila sa akin na credit limit. Okay? Sa paunang apply ko. Compared dun sa BPI na talagang malaki agad. I don't know why. Baka dahil nalilitan sila dun sa bank deposit ko or nababagalan sila sa movement ng in and out ng deposit and withdrawal ko sa account ko. At baka sinusubukan din mula nila ako how I become a good person to deal with. So baka ganun. Kasi lahat ng yan is tinitignan ng bangko kung kaano ka trustworthy na tao para bigyan ka ng malaking credit limit at ma-approve ka sa mga loan. So yun lang guys. So far I'm so happy when it comes to my Bank of Commerce Mastercard credit card. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Try nyo rin. And if you have some questions, clarifications, and hesitation, please don't forget to comment and like na rin, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please follow my TikTok account. So thank you so much guys, and God bless.